And I landed it. What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got my Redcat Kaiju, the V1. Just want to do some tests on it today. I'm running a Gens Ace 6800 milliamp 120C. I just want to see how it's going to hold up to the Kaiju. I want to see, can I do some standstill black flips and all that good stuff. Let's get into it. Haven't had this out in a minute. Just want to see how she's going to do with this battery. Whoa. Whoa. Beast. Yeah, I doubt if these tires hold up to this. She is a monster. I cannot full throttle this. Another thing, I would like to thank y'all guys for supporting my channel. Really appreciate that. Big thanks. I know I don't do a bunch of flips and jumps and all that, because I really don't have nothing to do it with. Plus, I really ain't trying to break nothing. I'm gonna do a flip right here. That's as good as I'm gonna get. I got a lot to come. You know, I don't do too many upgrade videos. I want to upgrade a couple of my cars. Definitely want to do that. Especially a couple of my armor cars, they need upgrades. See? Almost messed that up though. I landed it. Plus, I want to kind of test this metal spur they got on here now, because this car is not bad. I broke the turnbuckle and the spur. It was plastic. I just want to keep testing it until I see. Well, I doubt if it breaks, but. Time you should stop while you're ahead. Didn't break nothing. The only thing I broke was the body mounts. Yeah, the body's not on there good. Another thing I'm gonna do, I want to mess with the shredder. I want to kind of upgrade that and make the diffs better, the center diffs. I want to bulletproof that car, truck. Because the shredder is a really underrated car. It's a pretty good RC. It's just not one of the big old expensive break your pockets RCs. So I don't mind. Yeah, this thing is a monster, man. Gotta figure out what to do with this body. I done tore it up. All the pins, all them body mounts is tore out except for one. I got this from RC Discount Superstores too. Somebody told me what I'm doing right here is not bashing. I definitely don't know what bashing is, because I could have swore this was bashing too. Bashing don't consist of jumping ramps, doing backflips off of stuff. I thought bashing was riding hard and tough. It ain't got nothing to do with, well, it do got something to do with jumps. Whoa. Oh, I can't get no traction. Yo, this thing is a monster though. Y'all may have to end this because the body is... I got this body all jacked up. But it's hard to stop bashing. Too much fun. Way too much fun. The hell was that?